I have a fantastic love song for you. Put a little love in your heart from my childhood. And it's about loving others. And it's best done with more than just one person. So hey, Ciscley Frohme coming to help me with the play along. Make sure you stick along for that. She's one of my patrons. I have links down below to help you figure out if you want to be a patron too. We're going to learn how to do some singing together with it. And I also have a little ornament to throw in. It's a 3-chord song. You can do it sweet and simple, or you can spice it up. This video is about the spicing it up. There's a way that you can add some echoes in the chorus with this song, and then the outro you can do some little back and forth stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, in the chorus, there's echoes, and you're going, and the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place. And then you have for you, and me, just wait, and see. So that's super simple. The way I've written it in the chord chart is I have done things with parentheses. So if it's in parentheses, that means that's where you can do the echo. You could do it by yourself. That's not a problem. I mean, I can do, and the world will be a better place. The world will be a better place. No harm, no foul. You can do that too if you don't have friends you can sing with. And sometimes that's the case. Lastly, what you're going to see in the play along, coming along in the end, I've got links down below if you're too impatient and need to get there. You can do an outro where you have put a little love in your heart each and every day. Put a little love in your heart, there's no other way. Put a little love in your heart, it's up to you. Put a little love in your heart, come on in. So there's that little play back and forth that you can do. Looks like that. And so if you've got a friend, a group that you jam with, you can divvy it up so that you have different people doing different parts, and it's more fun that way. Want to try your hand at singing some harmony? That's another great thing to do when you're singing with others. Every time you sing, put a little love in your heart, that's the melody, but you can add this harmony. Use your 2nd fret on your A string and the 2nd fret on your G string, just to tune your ear out, not when you're playing, but put a little love in your heart. Put a little love in your heart. And so when you're playing that with your G and D, it's put a little love in your heart. So if you can hang on to a harmony part like that, then that's more fun you can have singing with others in this song. Put a little love in your heart. So if you want to practice that in the play along, I'm the one that's singing the harmony part. So follow my voice in your heart. It's a little low, and that makes it even more perfect for guys to sing. I did this in the key of D. So your chords are D, G, and A7. And this is a perfect time to work on making sure that you have that D sounding nice with no buzzes. Because I know if I'm going to have a problem with my D, it's going to be a buzz. Yeah. So practice it slowly, listening and making sure that that D chord sounds really nice and pretty. Here's a trick. I just learned this a couple weeks ago. You can finger a D kind of like a G. So instead of lining your fingers like this, you can do it kind of like a G7. And I kind of wish I knew that when I first learned the D. So that's another trick, because it's another way you can approach it, and then it might be a little bit easier to get to some of the other notes too. If you're having trouble with your D sounding nice and pretty, try playing it kind of with the fingering of a G7, but all in that 2nd fret. And again, moving your hand up towards the neck always helps to get that D to sound a little bit better. Like you're a pro with that D, then I've got a little ornament that you can throw in, and it's good for building up your speed and dexterity on your chording hand. In the chorus, the last two lines, you're going, for you and me, just wait and see. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the island strum, and I have the first down strum of the island strum on D, and the rest of it is on 7. And so you're going D, A7, D, A7, D, A7. That is a more tricky approach, but if you're already a pro, then this might be a good challenge or just something nice to add in. If you like to do it, my suggestion in practicing is just isolate that. Like that, play it back and forth, 10, 20, half an hour. So hopefully if you're doing it for half an hour, take my television approach and just sit back and practice that while you're watching a cooking show or something like that. And next thing you know, you'll have it. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like, that thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And then once again, I have a wonderful Patreon community. We are really getting to know each other, learning together, building the ukulele love. And so please consider joining us. We even have charity projects that we do as part of my Patreon community. So please consider joining us. We'd love to have you. Hi, as promised, Cicely's here. Yay! I hope you're putting a little love in your heart, and let me know how the play along is going for you. Anything I can do to help, I'll try to do. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and here we go.